Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. This is Mohammad Ismail Ahmed, a chemical engineering student from Dawood University of Engineering and Technology. Today, I present a topic on my subject environmental engineering. My topic for today is different types of pollution, effects of pollution, and control of pollution. First of all, we see what is pollution, the small introduction of pollution. Then we will cover the different types of pollution. Then we will see the effects of pollution, then see how we can control the pollution. So let's come to the pollution definition. Pollution is basically defined as the contamination into the natural environment that cause adverse changes in the form of killing of life, toxicity of environment, damage to our ecosystem and aesthetics of our surroundings, means beauty of our surroundings. So we have different types of pollution: air pollution, land pollution, noise pollution, water pollution and light pollution. So let's see what are these pollutions means. So number one is air pollution. Air pollution is basically a chemical that are released into the air through harmful gases like burning of fuels and other byproducts of modern human lives, especially the transport emissions, different types of smokes that can cause the air pollution. Different industries produces a massive amount of air pollution, especially the coal industries or power plant generation industries. So let's come to the another type, which is the land pollution, or we can say the soil pollution. Land or soil pollution, basically the waste materials produced by humans are left to accumulate on the earth's surfaces. Many chemicals such as pesticides and insecticides are absorbed in the soil due to the land pollution, which then make our soil or land non-fertilizable. The next is sound pollution, or we can say a noise pollution. Humans produce excessive and massive amount of loud noises, including industrial noises and vehicle sources. The number fourth is water pollution. Water pollution is the biggest task to eliminate. Many industries produce their wastewaters and spill out into their rivers. Then rivers connect to the sea and polluted whole the marine life system. The last one is light pollution. Light pollution, basically humans produce excessive amount of artificial lights that interfere with natural cycles of light and darkness in the environment, that cause to those animals that rely on lights for navigation and to hunt their prey. Now come to the effects of pollution. There are multiple effects of different types of pollution. Now come to the first type, which is air pollution. And what are the effects of air pollution? Polluted air can impede breathing, can difficulty while breathing, and cause many serious diseases in human and animals. Ingestion of waste can injure or poison animals. Chemicals can also enter the soil and absorbed by plants or leach into the water supply. It's the land pollution effects. Now come to the third one, which is noise. Excessive noise in the environment can interfere with animal communication. Those animals which rely on sound to navigate or hunt their animals. The fourth one is water pollution. How the effects of water pollution is basically water can be the medium of many pathogens and bacteria. It can cause disease when consumed by human or animals. The recent and modern disease name is Naegleria, which directly go to the brain and affects the brain of a human or any types of living things. Now come to the final, which is artificial light. Artificial light can confuse nocturnal animals and animals which hunt at night and rely on stars for navigation. Now, how we can control these all types of pollution? Maintaining a healthy distance between the industrial and residential areas to avoid the air pollution and sound pollution, because industries also produce a massive amount of noises. If we talk about the compressors, they produce a large amount of noise. Now come to the second one, which is the chimneys should be constructed tall in size. While the chimneys is tall, all the airs which go towards the directly environment, so that the emission must be released higher up the environment. The third one is the sulfur must be removed after burning. The gasoline must have anti-knocking agents. The coal fuel should be replaced with gas fuels to control the air pollution. Limit the use of fertilizers and pesticides. Awareness about biological control methods and their preventions like biodiesel. Treating nuclear and industrial waste. And the last one, proper disposing of plastics and other garbages. Thank you so much for watching and listening my presentation. Take care yourself. Allah Hafiz.